Yeah, okay, so welcome back to House Tour. Today we are looking at a coffee pot and, well, a coffee maker. So, like, you got your power button, you got how much, you got regular Robusto, you got your 6 ounce, your 8 ounce, all that cool stuff. And of course, here's the actual thing. This is by Black and Decker, by the way, I'm not sponsored. Yeah, this is, I'm literally just showing you this. Also, you may have noticed that I'm coughing a lot less than before. And that's due to someone kindly giving me this morning a cough drop. So, yeah, I actually do know them. Uh, yeah. So I'll just put their channel in the description below. Put in the comments thank you for giving the cough drop. You can just put thank you if you don't want to type all that. Anyway, that's about it. This cough drop's pretty minty. Not gonna lie. Pretty good.